buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the zebra word correctly? Alright, now for the first letter. He picks up the letter Z. Now for the second one. He picks up the letter E. How about the third one? He picks up the letter B. Good job, buddy. How about the next letter? He picks up the letter R. Now for the last one. Last one, buddy. He picks up the letter A. Now, zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? Alright, now since Jumbo did well in the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical test in addition form. Now, I need two numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or have sign, please? How about on this side? Okay, I see your 5. How about on this side? Higher than 5, please. Okay, I see your 7. 5 plus 7. Now, this type of behavior showcases intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, Mabos are often compared to 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. Now, let's proceed here against Miss Debbie to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now, Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite food? Now, Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Debbie, where did Jumbo love to go to school? University of Cebu Safari. Now, let's see how you guys at math. Jumbo, what is 5 plus 7? Okay, good luck, buddy. First number. You present the number 1. Now, for the last number. Last one, buddy.
Pilates.
Okay, take your time. There's no need to rush. Is it number 7, number 2, or number 6? This will be easy, guys. Take your time, buddy. Okay, he picks up the number 2. Now, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Is it correct? So, round of applause to our green. Now, seniors are also known as Sankardas. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are native to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Right, careful, look down. Okay, so hi sir, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. May I ask, what is your name? My name is Jones. So my name is Jones. How are you today? Good. Are you enjoying the show so far? So hi everyone. Now sir, I want you to show your money to the crowd. Now Mr. Jones here has seen 1,000 peso bill. So I want you to hold your money 3 times at the same direction. That's 1. Hold it against it. 2. That's 1. Alright, now after that, hold the tip of the money and the same direction on your left wrist. Now sir, are you ready? Yes, we're ready. Second question sir, do you have an extra money? I depends. Alright, now we're all set and ready? Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our quick and fluffy segment, Sunny. Now Sunny loves money, but only the one who loves to pick up things and build business. Now let's see what Sunny will do. The Sunny guys all the way to Mr. Jones, and your arms and you mix the 1,000 peso bill. Now bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 1,000 pesos. Easy one there, now sir. Can we do it again? One more time, like another 500 pesos. We accept card or GCash. I'm just kidding sir. So I will return your money. All you have to do is stand right on there and open your mouth. Now Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. Now Sunny, can you turn the money? Right, Sunny lies back all the way to Mr. Jones and he puts the 1,000 peso bill back. So now the last one, you can find Sunny. velocity. Nice catch. Now, Philippine Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. Now, as you can see, this here is wearing a knee gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. Now, this bird can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So now, the last one, Philippine Hawk Eagle wing, under. Now, for our next birds of prey, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so let us remain silent, seated, and relaxed as we welcome our Philippine Eagle Owl. Now, Philippine Eagle Owl, they are the largest owl species that can be seen here in the Philippines. So it has a wingspan of 40 to 50 centimeters. So as you can see, it is a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot prey up to 2 kilometers away. So when we fly, we are almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that help them glide quietly in the night, making them the silent stalkers or the silent hunters of the night. So just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because these birds of prey, they're excellent at catching their food from other birds, even in mid-air. Now again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and we can try to reach out our birds. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our animals. Alright, so we're all set and ready? Now ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together towards touching prey of light, our Dominican King, Shadow. But wait, there's one. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. So very light, they have a white plumage from its head, now sits under bars, and the rest of its color are stripy chestnut brown. And we also have here our third Dominican King, Kulao. So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Banoki Bisaya and Lauri in Tagalog. Now, from the guy, they're excellent at gliding, soaring, and flying high up in the sky. Their lifespan in the log, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. So from inside, we have the real-world reflection of Garuda, a larger figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures.
Wala pa eh, akan pa na. Akan pa na.
Adult volunteer who is not afraid of the birds. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. Adult volunteer. So we have here volunteer staff at UP. Okay, so we have adult volunteer. I want you to meet our last Dominican guy named Sky. Now, Dominican, they practice parasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why we are called as the snatching prey of life. Ready, one more time? Nice touch, buddy. Now again, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. So now, boss, so our Dominican snake, shadow, August, cloud, and sky. Now, from the medium-sized routers, let's proceed to the largest birds of prey. We have here AC Blue Safari. Now, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and we're not trying to reach out or touch this bird. Because this bird will fly closer to you. So again, just please sit down, supervise your kids, and enjoy the show.
Herman.
Alright, so we're all set and ready? Okay, so again, I need for everyone, just please supervise your kids and enjoy the show. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads on high to our white fantasy eagle named Silver. The white fantasy eagle, also known as the white Western Sea Eagle, or king of the sea. It is a white plumage on its head, down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray color. But wait, there's more! Here comes the fire of silver, Ballerina! The white galaxy eagle can develop to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Now this bird can live in the wild up to 25 to 30 years. Now their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mouse. Now these largest birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and China. Now the scientific name for this bird is Galeatus leucocaster. A white galaxy eagle can lay about 2 eggs, but only one can survive due to sibling rivalry. Now the entire spider go up, they can live up to 25 to 30 years. Now white galaxy eagle symbolizes wilderness and freedom. much and enjoy the rest of the walk. Now, for those who want to take pictures of our photographers, kindly form a line here at the center. We have here our official photographers, the crew. And for those who have been pinned to White Lion Safari, common aerial birds of the world, and African savanna, just go up and turn to your left side to see to around the town area. That's a chance stop for a key attraction inside. And you want to witness our white Bengal tiger feed at 2:30 p.m. Just go up and turn to your left side, right side, to see to around right side, 2-minute walk.
Monkey Tito.
Ikaon.
Nalibang si Rusya, giluhan.
Ay. Mas tagas pa na itong tosubos, no? Kani? No, lahi sila. Potol-potol ang katong kuano eh.
Kuan ba? Dito ba? Tagagyan diri.
Ano ka diri ba?
Ano sa mga bulas na
Amen, thank you. Thank you.
may mga personal na kayo.
Hindi mo sabaw may lab. Banate.
Pati ba ang set? Ako
Oh,
sa
dito?
kanang
Hanapag
kuha ng dagat. Kaya ko na makuha ng dagat, Chip.
Kita mo ani pa? Hindi nakita tita. Ako.
Anyang kag ay. Kaya nakaghinuot rice niya lab. Kaya nakaghinuot namo. Pag gikan pa dito, sige mikan ko sa nanay ka.
Huwag man siya.
Kaya bye. Parehog may rice.
Wagi pang gutom.
Ah,
Wagi pang gutom.
thank you.
Untahan ninyo tanan.
Ang sabaw.
Ang sabaw. Ha?
Namot ko ha.
Mahirap mo na usod.
Sensitive nila eh. Kuan.
Unsa ni? Aw.
Ah,
Sabaw ako doon pero pagkatas ko.
go.
Ako sa ko ng charit.
Ayun na, ayun na. Sige, sige, sige. Thank you.
Mga lagi.
Yeah.
Dili ba natin
Agad.
birthday?
Ah, karami. Ay, ano to? Luan.
Di ba kompostila man mo?
Ay, bibitom yun.
Patbitin mo may lab.
Ano po? Ate na ba?
Wow, wow.
Oh, di ba tayo sa dali na diri. Ako sa ko ng charit.
22 minutes na.
Ito lagi tayo man eh.
Hindi ba rito?
Isla ka?
we go garlic.
Bili ng isda. Oh. Clark. Ako na kon.
Lagi pang gutom.
Shadow din ang corner rice.
Sila ka steps ko lang.
200.
Ato ni.
Tanong-tanong.
Paano ba kayo mo? Hi guys, di ami diri sa Lantaw. Located ni siya sa Compostela. Compostela ni Malab, no?
Compostela ni Rewang?
Compostela Lantaw. Nindot kay siya diri guys. Naa sa loyo ang amo ang mga amo mga kauban nga paniuto, pamahaw, paniuto dang panihapon.
Grabe kayo ba?
Grabe pagutom gikan sa safari. Nindot kay diri guys. Oh, tanawan ninyo guys. No, tinaw kaayo yung water. The water is very tinaw. Awa. Oh my gosh. Nindot kay kaligo din eh guys. Oh. Yes. Siya ikaligo din hi. Awa ang langit. Kauwanon naman ni din hi guys. Located ni siya sa Compostela. Agian na ning padulong sa kuan, sa safari. Tinaw kayo ilang water. Okay ra mo din ha?
Off na off.
Wa mo gutom ma, tarungan imong tihandong.
Wa. Gani wa karon.
Wa na mo gipanggutom. Nindot na kay silag mga smile.
Wa gipanggutom karon.
Wa kayo gutom ma.
Gani ha. Luka nas kagutom.
Gutom, gutom. Gutom juga ganyan.
Si Mayor Clark.
Sagot ra sa inyong kanon. Sagot ra gali ko sa tabaw.
Ay si Mayor Clark pangutan daw.
Usa ka kan?
Tayo.
Di ba ko no kaayo? Awa kaayo?
Gusto tayo.
Ah. Lami kay ilahang pagkaon din hiya. Dali ra kayong service.
Service.
Accurate kayo ang
22 minutes.
22 minutes. Accurate kayo, no?
Tungod siguro kay gamay kay order kay wa kay budget.
Di gamay ra man tao.
Gamay ka.
Pero kadto dito.
Ay, dako man nilang kitchen.
Di sa SRP kidagan sa kada tao yung voice to.
Oo, no, like unright.
Grabe kay taas ang ubos.
Ano watay ko to?
Ano naman?
Dagan og tao, gamay ang kitchen. Di gyud sila ka kuha og 20 to 25 minutes. No, no good.
Isa ka pagutang
Libog na mga siya. Saya ang ako ang sapatos. Sold out gina.
Sorry, come over here this way.
Oy, ma'am.
Janet.
Kamay ra kay kamera. Tara, wasa double check ko. 3-3.